Hey guys, I'm about to crawl in this Audi again. I keep getting underneath this dash because there's so many sensors under here and they're so expensive and they're really easy to take out once you get this dash plate off, which is like a couple of bolts. So now we're gonna get the sensor for the brake. When you press the brake in, it releases the pressure off of this neutral safety switch, which allows you to turn the car on or off. This makes sure that they know that you're safe. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. It goes through a little piece of metal and it pushes into the brake. And what happens is it has that one connector sensor piece and it has one connection on the sensor. So let's take a look at it right now underneath. I'm going to pull it out and show you how it works. So crawling under here, you see the brake pedal, so you just follow the brake pedal up, and then this is the sensor right here. So you see as you push the brake pedal in, it actuates that little nipple of the sensor. So look right there. See how it comes off and lets it go out, and then when it brakes up, it comes down and locks. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this little connection right here, and then we're gonna pull this little piece out and show you what the sensor looks like outside the car. All right, so let's look at this part that I just took out. So this is the part, and it had this was connected through the piece of metal, and then this was just going through. So we unscrewed this all the way out. I mean, it was actually like this. We unscrewed this all the way out, and then you can pull this out of the metal piece. And it has one sensor here, which we opened the two clips and took it off, and this is the switch. Now, when you go replace this, don't give them this piece. Leave this piece in the car because it's already there. Then when you put this in, you can screw it in and adjust it how far you need it to be for when your pedal is all the way in. And then you just take your wiring harness and clip it back in. But since we're getting rid of the car, I took the wiring for this in case somebody has one that's broken, taking it out, and we kept the clip that we can just put on here and save for another vehicle another time. So this is the switch. It was very easy to take out, just a quick little fix. But if you take this to a shop or dealership, you're gonna pay hundreds of dollars to do this. You can get this on eBay or somewhere else, or a brand new one, and put it on yourself. So I hope this saves you some money. Give us a like and a subscribe, notifications all. So if you have an Audi or any other type of car, look at one of our playlists to see how you can start getting some of this stuff done yourself.